Hello friends, welcome back to She's in Her Apron and welcome to our relaxing fall bake with me. I am so glad you're here. I absolutely love the fall, especially October. The leaves fully change. I love the pumpkins, the apples, the vegetables from your garden, and there's so much to do and it's so fun. So I thought I would take you along as I bake in my kitchen, but do it in such a sweet, relaxing way with beautiful music that I hope it inspires you this fall season to get into your kitchen, put on your aprons, and whip up something so yummy for you and your family. So this video is a collaboration with my dear sweet friend Candace over at Simply This Life. The moment we met, we instantly hit it off and we are such dear friends. We talk to each other weekly and I am so thankful for her. You'll really enjoy her channel. She's getting more into the minimal mindset and she's sharing with you organizing skills and hacks and decluttering hacks that will help you seriously be calm in your life. And she's whipping up a yummy snack for you all. So after this, please go check her out. If you're here from Candace's channel, hello. I hope you stick around. We seriously have so much fun over here. So please join me today for a relaxing fall bake with me. I'm working with a huge zucchini today that I got from our friends from their beautiful garden. Zucchini Houdini. I shared this cookbook a few years ago. It is one of my favorites. This is by Brenda Stanley and I will have this book down in a link below for you. It is seriously one of my favorites. Everything I've had out of here we've absolutely enjoyed. So definitely check that out. But this is what we're using today, this big boy. I love getting them this big because it's always so fun to see how many recipes I can get out of one. All right, our zucchini is already washed up, ready to go. I'm going to grate the whole thing and we're gonna see how many cups we can get grated. And this will determine if I am doubling batches. What we're gonna do is we're gonna use our grater and we're gonna grate this up. So I'm gonna just chop off my ends. So I'm just gonna start cutting this in sections to make it easy to work with and grate with. Parts of your zucchini, depending how big or small it is, you'll have a lot of seeds and some you won't. So I'm just going in and taking out that pulp. This gave me 12 cups of shredded zucchini. Let's get baking. In a mixing bowl, we're gonna whip up 3 eggs. We're gonna beat the eggs until it's foamy. You'll need a cup of oil. 2 cups sugar, then you'll need 2 cups of shredded zucchini and 3 teaspoons of vanilla. And then we're going to mix this well. I showed you everything for the normal recipe, but I am actually doubling this recipe if you're wondering why this looks bigger. I had to get a bigger bowl to add the flour. So now we're gonna add the flour, the baking soda, the baking powder, and the spices. And this batch will make you 2 loaves of bread. You will need 3 cups of flour, For the spices, you'll need a 1/4 teaspoon cloves, 3 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. With your 3 cups of flour, you're going to need a teaspoon of baking soda and a half teaspoon of baking powder. I'm also gonna add the spice mixture in. And I'm gonna just lightly stir it all together. You don't have to do it this way. You could dump this all in your bowl with your wet ingredients, but I'm gonna give it just a little mix together. Then I'm going to just mix this all together. You can also fold in some nuts if you like. So I'm trying something new today. I put some parchment paper down into my bread pans. They're sprayed, and then I put the parchment paper down just so it won't stick to the bottom of the pan. That's happened to me and it's kind of annoying. I am gonna lightly just spray in there too. I'm gonna divide this batter into the 4 pans. These will go in a 350-degree oven for about an hour, but I'm gonna check on them before the hour. I'm gonna start off with 3 eggs, but I am doubling my recipe, so you'll see me do more. I'm gonna beat the eggs and set them aside. You'll need 1 cup of butter, and I already have this softened. It's very softened. It was on near my hot stove. You'll need 2 cups sugar. We're gonna cream this together. Okay, we're gonna add in our eggs. You'll need 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Add your 1 cup of zucchini. You'll need a cup of pumpkin puree. Okay, we're gonna mix this very well. You're gonna add in a half a teaspoon of salt, cinnamon, nutmeg, and clove. Add 3 cups flour. You'll add a half a teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And we'll give this a mix. Now you could fold in some nuts if you like at this point, but my family's not big on nuts. Add some parchment paper. This makes 2 loaves, but I doubled my recipe, so I am making 4. Whenever I do pies, I really like to mix up the apples. I like to pair Granny Smith with another type of apple. Today I have the Granny Smith paired with a Gala. I'm going to prepare all these apples and then we'll see how many apple crisps I'm able to make out of it. Even though I have cinnamon and nutmeg in with my topping, I love a good cinnamony nutmeggy apples. So I don't think there's overdoing your seasoning at all. 2 cups flour, two cups of packed brown sugar, a cup of oats, some cinnamon, and some nutmeg. course, the star of this bread is the zucchini. But grab yourself a cake box mix of carrot cake and you're gonna be in heaven. I'm doubling this recipe, but I'm telling you what it is. Normally, you're gonna need 3 eggs, 2 cups of shredded zucchini. You'll need a box of cake mix. You could use carrot or spice cake. This one's a good one because it has the carrot already shredded in there. A 1/3 cup of sugar and a 1/4 cup of oil. You can add a 1/2 cup of chopped nuts if you'd like. Now this will make 2 loaves of bread for you. And of course, this batch right here for me will make 4. These pans are getting a good workout today. Have your oven still preheated to 350 degrees. And this will bake for 45 minutes. Well, friends, I hope you enjoyed this relaxing fall bake with me. I had so much fun putting it together, and now we'll reap the rewards of having all this yumminess in our freezer. Don't forget to head over to Candace's channel and tell her hello for me. Thank you so much for joining me today, friends, and we will see you soon. Bye.